Are you ready to go live with me today with Ronnie Kendrick? Oh my goodness, you guys are in for a treat today. I'm Angela Brown and I'm here at Ask a House Cleaner. Now, you guys may not know this, but Ronnie has been quoted in Bob Vila, and he is really famous now in the cleaning industry. And there are some real leaders and power hitters in the industry that are coming to Ronnie going, tell us your secrets. So today we're going to throw a whole bunch of stuff at Ronnie, and I want you to throw stuff at him as well. We're going to debunk a whole bunch of myths. So I put together my thinking cap and I said, okay, here's a bunch of myths that come at me all the time. And I want you guys to throw some myths at Ronnie as well. And he's going to tell us, are these myths true or are they false? All right. So please help me welcome Ronnie Kendrick. Ronnie, how are you today?
I'm doing fabulous. Thank you so much for having me on the show, Angela. And I can't wait to get these questions thrown at me and see how much the audience can beat me on.
So I have a question now that goes back to finding good help, because this is a question that comes up again and again and again and again and again. True or false? It's okay to ask for specifics. Is it okay to jump into one of those word of mouth groups and say, I am in search of a cleaning company who also does windows? True or false?
True. Yeah. You want to get those questions out of the way to begin with whenever you're starting your journey. So, again, you don't get caught off guard whenever they're at your home. And then you ask in the middle of the cleaning, which some people do that. And then it gets awkward. And there's just the tension between the client and the home cleaning company that no, they don't offer that service. And it's something that should have been discussed with upfront. But again, that's also on the house cleaning company because, like, you need to be doing your due diligence when any customer comes through and asking them, what are they actually looking for? You're here to solve a problem for your customer, not just say, okay, we're going to come and do a deep cleaning or a regular cleaning. No, like, find out what it's about. Like, hey, are you having guests over? Mom, dad coming into town, throwing a party, or just, man, like, we're so busy with work and kids and like all their sporting events and everything. So we just need someone that's trustworthy, that's coming over regularly and just keeping that off of our plate, right? So be asking questions as the business, because the more that you ask, the more that you're going to find out about the customer and the easier the sell is actually going to be.
That is the true statement. Okay, so happy Bell for the answer to that, which is true. Yes, it is okay to ask for exactly what you need. Now, I'm in the process of moving right now. As I was moving, I needed a whole bunch of really weird help. I needed weird things done. The caulking around the windows where the window sills expand and contract and like they'll separate slightly. And I needed them painted and little things like that around the house. So I would specifically say in my in search of, and I jump on Nextdoor or Facebook and it's I'm in search of a painter that can come today. Like we got a photographer coming tomorrow and I need it done today. I just discovered this particular issue. Somebody that can come today. People would go, hey, I can come today. I recommend somebody that I know is free today. They just left my house from a job. And one of the things that I added was someone who has done this job for you.
Mhm.
Please recommend someone who has done this job for you. Like I needed some shutters. I don't know why there's this big windstorm and it blew one of the shutters off the front of my house. Like who knew that could even happen? I need somebody to climb up on a two-story ladder and like make the shutter go back on the house. Who has done this job for you? And oh my goodness, I got like 10 responses. Like call this guy, this guy, this guy. And I hired somebody literally within an hour and they came over, they fixed my shutters. Yay. So
And
it is okay and be specific. Ask for specifically what you need upfront.
and if you really want to build trust as your business, when someone comes through with those special requests and you don't do them, have people lined up. Have companies that you've worked with before that you can immediately refer and be like, oh, hey, we don't do outside windows, but I know Joe over at Professional Power Washers. They're fantastic. We work with them all the time, and I can instantly connect you and help you get a quote and whatever it is that you need. Like, do warm handoffs for people. Don't just say, nope, we can't help you,
Right.
because even if those people don't end up going with you, they're going to remember the experience that they had with your company. So whenever one of their friends is asking, hey, who's a great house cleaner? They'll be like, well, we didn't work with them, but these folks were awesome. They helped us find the solutions to what we were looking for.
That is really awesome. Thank you so much. That is a correct answer and a great follow up to the correct answer that you just had. Here, you get another happy. Is anyone counting the happy bells we have here for Rodney? I think we're already into like, I don't know, the 20s or something. So this has never happened before. Nobody ever got that many happy bells. You're just going to have to mail this to them when it's over. All right. So that's it for today. Guys, I'm so glad you joined me. This was so much fun. I just had so much fun with Rodney here. Rodney, tell our listeners and our viewers where they can go to find you.
So, if you happen to be in the Denver area, the South Side specifically, look up Company Clean. We're a professional house cleaning company in that area doing basic cleanings, deep clean, move in, move out. But again, what we've talked about here is really trying to find what problem are we solving for you. So, we want to give you that personal touch. But hey, I love talking about cleaning and business aspects too. So, find me on Facebook where I talk about our cleaning tips, facebook.com/companycleanco. And then you can also find me on LinkedIn where I talk about the business aspect of house cleaning at linkedin.com/in/Ronnie Kendrick Company Clean.